Now to the latest on Pope Francis. The Vatican says he is responding well to treatment after suffering from a sudden lung spasm today. But they won't know for sure how effective the mechanical ventilation will be for another 48 hours or so. The spasm caused the pontiff to get sick, which in turn caused him to inhale stomach acid. It was a serious setback as he struggles to recover from double pneumonia.
The holy month of Ramadan begins tonight for Muslims around the world. It is believed to be the time when the Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. During the month, Muslims fast from sunup to sundown until the end of March.